Smoothskin Bare Plus is ultra fast. With 100 flashes per minute, an entire body treatment takes 10 minutes. For your first few treatments, you'll need to shave any visible hairs so you don't damage your device. Once you've prepped the area, using the device is simple. Press the handset firmly onto your skin so that the sensor detects your skin tone, and press the activation button to start. Each flash feels like a warm sensation against your skin. Carefully move the device over your skin in a steady motion, taking care not to miss any hairs.